Welcome to Supercar. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Highlander, covering everything you need to know, the pros and cons. If you're considering the Highlander, this video will give you a thorough overview to help with your decision. Stay tuned for insights into both the positives and potential downsides. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit subscribe for more reviews and insights on the latest cars. Now, let's get into the 2025 Toyota Highlander. Exterior design. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Highlander is its bold and modern design, featuring a wider front grille and sleeker LED headlights. It has a more aggressive stance compared to its predecessors, giving it a premium look. Pros. The exterior has a confident, luxurious presence, especially with its large wheels and rugged design. Cons. Some might find the design safe rather than adventurous. Interior comfort and space. Inside, the Highlander impresses with its spacious and premium cabin. With 3 rows, it seats up to 8 comfortably, even offering decent third-row legroom for adults. Pros. The cabin materials feel high quality, and the spacious seating is perfect for families. Cons. While the third row is spacious for the segment, it might feel cramped on long trips for taller adults. Cargo space. When the third row is folded down, the Highlander offers ample cargo space, ideal for family life or long road trips. Pros. With the second and third rows down, you get 84.3 cubic feet of storage, which is impressive. Cons. With all rows up, cargo space is limited, so fitting a full load of passengers and gear might be a challenge. Technology and infotainment. The 2025 Highlander comes equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's user-friendly and responsive. Pros. The infotainment system is easy to navigate, with a premium JBL sound system available in higher trims. Cons. While functional, the tech isn't groundbreaking. Lower trims come with smaller screens, which may not feel as premium. Performance and power. The Highlander offers 2 engines, a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 265 horsepower and a hybrid delivering 243 horsepower with excellent fuel efficiency. Pros. The hybrid option is fantastic for those prioritizing fuel efficiency, achieving a combined 36 miles per gallon. Cons. The turbocharged engine, while capable, might lack punch for those seeking a sportier drive. Handling and ride quality. The ride is smooth and controlled, with the suspension absorbing bumps well, making it ideal for long drives. Pros. Ride comfort is a major strength, especially for families. Cons. It's not the most dynamic SUV to drive. If you're after a sportier experience, it may feel too soft. Safety features. Toyota has packed the Highlander with its latest safety suite, including pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. Pros. The advanced safety features give peace of mind, especially for families. Cons. While robust, these features are becoming standard across most SUVs. Pricing and value. The Highlander starts around $38,000, with fully loaded models reaching $50,000. For its class, this pricing is competitive, considering its features and comfort. Pros. The Highlander offers a well-rounded package with luxury, tech, and safety. Cons. Some might feel other SUVs in the same price range offer more performance or luxury. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Highlander is an excellent family SUV, blending comfort, technology, and safety, though it has some drawbacks, especially in performance and third-row space. What do you think? Do the pros outweigh the cons for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, And don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more car reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.